Okay, so today I am going to change out this crankshaft position sensor for my 2000 Jeep Cherokee Sport. The Jeep is a 4.0 six-cylinder two-wheel drive. Don't hate me for the two-wheel drive part. Anyway, it's been stalling out on me lately, and it refuses to start back up until it's cooled off for a while. So, I have heard that that's a common problem having to do with the crankshaft position sensor, and I've been just kind of changing out the sensors here and there anyway, so why not start with this, because I haven't done it yet. So, every how-to video I've seen actually shows the location of this plug in the wrong place. Some models have the plug-in up on the back side of the exhaust manifold. On the model that I have, the plug is actually back behind the sensor on the left side of the transmission, I think. So, yeah, watch this. I'll show you where that's at so you don't get mixed up if you're trying to do this yourself. And, yeah, it's pretty simple. Ratchet, as many extensions as I could find, and an 11mm bit. Some people suggest using a knuckle. If you have one, take it out there with you. But I couldn't find mine, so I'm going to go with what I have. So yeah, let's get this done, and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so on some models, the sensor is plugged in right here. I don't know if you can see that, but that's not the crankshaft position sensor on this 2000. So I'll get under the car and show you where it's at. And for the record, looking from the top, the sensor is right there at the top of the bell housing. So you'll see it better from underneath, but that's good enough for now. Okay, so from underneath the driver's side door, looking forward, there's the front left tire. If you look up, you'll see, let's see if I can get a better shot. The sensor is actually right up there. I'm going to try to touch it. Yeah, so right up in there. And the wire flows back and can be seen up here. So it'll plug right in this area. Okay, so it does not plug in up top on the exhaust manifold. It plugs in back behind the bell housing. So yeah, 2000 Jeep Cherokee 4.0. That's how it is. That's where it is. So let's get this extension, see if we can't get it out, and we'll go get the new one and put it in. Okay, so the old sensor is out. It's kind of a pain in the butt. Looks pretty dirty. One quick note, if you can't see, this is a 3-prong sensor. You should have the 2 plastic pieces in the middle, and then you have 3 metal prongs, right? So make sure you get that right. I think the older ones just have 2 metal prongs. Can't really see it that well here, but you'll know what I'm talking about whenever you take it out. So anyway, pay attention to that. If you're using an older model, you're probably going to need a 2-prong. I'm not sure how far back that was, but anyway, just take the old one out, check it, get the new one, make sure it's the same. Pretty simple. That's that. Let me go get the new one, and I'll put it in, and that's that. That's that. That is that. Okay. All right. Enough being an idiot for one day. Let's go get this done. Peace. Okay. So, old sensor, new sensor. Pretty much the same thing. I did not go with OEM. However, they are almost exact. The only difference that I can see is the alignment of the wire on the back side. Alright, so you have this wire is dead center, and the original is to the left, facing this direction. So, and I guess there's also an extra hole here. I'm not sure what that's for. Maybe some models require that, but anyway, pretty simple. Let's put it in and see if that darn thing starts. That's that. Okay, well, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I will put links to parts in the description, and that's how you change the crankshaft position sensor on a 2000 Jeep Cherokee Sport. Thanks. Peace.